Wall-hung toilets have become much more popular in this country on new bathroom installations. For years we've seen them in Europe, and they're trending locally for a couple of reasons. One is they leave a little bit more space in the bathroom, and they're also more hygienic, easier to clean and to keep clean underneath. But the installation is a little bit different. Josh Jordan's helping us with our plumbing today. What's the layout here, my friend?
The layout is we have a vanity that's going to go right here, custom tile shower going there, freestanding tub going here.
Okay, good.
And normally we would be putting a regular conventional toilet in, which would get roughed in. Normally you would roughen a toilet 12 inches off the wall through the floor.
Right through the floor. But this is a wall-hung toilet, so we have to have a way to carry the weight of the toilet. So they make this pre-made carrier. It's all made out of steel. And what happens is this carrier is designed to be secured to the wall. And now this carrier can carry the weight of the toilet and a person on it. And then all of the working parts, this is the water tank right here, built right into the wall. All the service parts and the flush mechanisms will be right here, always available for service. And this will be completely built into the wall, so you won't see anything except the toilet sitting off the side. All right, we ready to drill our hole through the plate? Okay, so let's secure that in. Let's just double check it for plumb. Perfect, go for it. Yeah, go for it. All right, so now the carrier is secured. We just need to run our water supply from right here inside the wall down here, and then this rough is complete. We'll just put the walls in and you'll be back after that, right? Yeah. Thank you, Josh. Nicely done.
No problem.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.